Hello, welcome to a new video in the FLTK Rust series. This video I'm going to be showing you some new crates which were added to the FLTK-rs repo and published on crates.io. So the first one is the FLTK theme, which is based on work by a few FLTK veterans. FLTK theme basically provides some widget themes which mimic platform themes. So for example, the classic, which mimics the old Windows theme, Aero, Aqua, Dark, High Contrast, Blue, Metro, and Graybird, and several color themes. So basically, if you run the example here, so this is the application, for example. If we choose the classic theme, the Aero, the Metro, the Aqua, the Graybird, the Blue, High Contrast, and Dark, and I'll be showing you the code, which is basically simple for using the crate itself. So if we go to the widget theme example, basically we just import the FLTK prelude and basically everything. Then from the FLTK theme, we import widget themes, theme type, and widget theme. So basically here we just default for the Aqua theme in the beginning. And then we create our window, a choice widget, which has these choices. And we add a check button, a round button, and a normal button. And then in the choice callback, we just set the theme. As you've seen, we can change it at runtime. So as you've seen, we can change this at runtime. And for the color themes, if we just use the predefined colors, for example, it's also simple. Instead of using a widget theme, we use a color theme, and we load it from a color map. We basically have several color themes that we can use. So if we go to the predef color example, and this is the dark theme. If we wanted to change this to use a choice, for example, so basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 themes. So just change, just copy the code from here. And instead of the widget themes, we'll use color themes. We don't need the theme type. And here, the color theme struct. And we can use the color, or just keep it the default when we start the application. And here we basically have the black, a dark, gray, shake, and tan. And here we'll use the color theme from color map. Basically we'll just change these, so we only need 6. And let's default back to the this one, for example. Just change these, so dark theme, okay. Black, shake, tan and gray theme. I think we're missing okay. Just okay. So we get the this is the default theme. Just remove the set value. So when we choose black, the black, dark, gray, shake, tan. I think black, yep, this is messed up. Dark, gray, shake, and tan. So this is the default color for FLTK. This is black, dark, gray, shake, tan. You can use it with a predefined scheme, for example. So as you've seen, this is these are the predefined values. You can also define your own color map inline using the cmap macro, and then use it with the from color map method. Or you can also just load it from a file. For example, we have just a simple function here which loads a color map from a file here. So these are the themes that are already defined. This loads it from a file basically, and then just loads it with the just creates the theme itself and calls apply on it. The other crate that I wanted to show you is the FLTK-flex, which basically provides a flexbox widget with the flexbox alignment by default without having to specify the coordinates of your widgets. So there are basically three examples here. If you look at the simple example, so we just also import everything from FLTK, FLTK-flex, and we choose the flex and flex type. There are two types, flex type column and flex type row. Here we create the app, the window, and then we use a flex widget, the same size as the window. And then we set the type as flex column, and then we have an expanding button and a normal button. And for the expanding button, we set the size to 30. So if you run this, we get the expanding button here and the normal button here. You can see that we didn't have to specify the size of the buttons. We have some more examples here. So this is the just a translation of the demo from the FLFlex repo, which is a C++ repo which has been ported to Rust. And basically you can see that we only specify the size of the coordinates and the size of the flex widget itself, and the rest basically doesn't need any coordinates. For all the widgets in here, there's also a login example which looks like this, and if you check the code, basically the same. Basically we create our window a flex widget which is of type column, and then we have a main panel. In the main panel basically we create a middle panel which is another flex widget, and the middle panel basically we have several frames, and we create a button panel which basically has the register and login button. And you can see that nowhere in this code do we use the any coordinates, except of course for our initial flex widget. For the rest of the flex widgets that are children of this flex widget, we only use default, no coordinates. That was basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.